Across the wide savannas of Africa roams a creature both gentle and powerful. The African elephant. The largest land animal on Earth, it has long captured the imagination of people everywhere. Have you ever hugged an African elephant? For a moment, everything turns silent. All you feel is the warmth of a living soul, older than time itself. It is more than a touch. It is a moment of pure connection between two beings who understand each other without a sound. Beyond their size and strength lies a story of deep intelligence, emotion, and a vital role in shaping entire ecosystems. There are two species of African elephants: the African bush elephant, Loxodonta africana, the largest, and the slightly smaller African forest elephant, Loxodonta cyclotis. Adult males can reach 4 meters in height and weigh up to 6,000 kilograms. Their trunks, made up of over 40,000 muscles, can tear down tree branches or delicately pluck a single blade of grass. Each tusk is a modified incisor that can grow over 2.5 meters long, used for digging, stripping bark, and even as tools in social displays. Elephants live long, often 60 to 70 years, forming generations within the same herd. Calves are born after a 22-month pregnancy, the longest in the animal kingdom. From the moment they stand, often within an hour of birth, they are surrounded by care. The herd protects, feeds, and teaches each young elephant through experience and gentle guidance. At the heart of every herd is a matriarch, usually the oldest and most experienced female. Her wisdom guides the group to water and food, especially in times of drought. Elephant herds are matriarchal societies built on strong family bonds and cooperation. Males, when they reach adolescence, typically leave the herd to live alone or in small bachelor groups, joining females only during mating seasons. Elephants express empathy and emotion through touch, sound, and even tears. They comfort one another, mourn their dead, and can remember the faces and voices of other elephants for decades. African elephants possess one of the most complex communication systems in the animal kingdom. They use low-frequency sounds, called infrasound, to talk across distances of up to 10 kilometers, often coordinating movements between herds or warning of danger. They also communicate through body language, flapping ears, raising trunks, or rumbling softly. Scientists now know elephants can recognize themselves in mirrors, an ability shared with only a few highly intelligent species, including dolphins and great apes. Elephants are often called ecosystem engineers. As they travel, they clear paths through forests, dig waterholes that become oases for other animals, and spread seeds through their dung, helping new plants grow across great distances. Without elephants, many African landscapes would change dramatically, affecting countless other species that depend on their presence. They can detect thunderstorms from over 100 miles away, likely by sensing vibrations through the ground. Here are 5 remarkable facts you might not know about African elephants. Fact 1. Each elephant can recognize the unique calls of others, almost like having personal names. Scientists discovered that elephants use specific low-frequency rumbles to call individuals, and those calls are recognized even after years apart. Fact 2. Their ears act as natural cooling systems, radiating heat through a complex network of blood vessels. Fact 3. Elephants have an incredible sense of smell, capable of detecting water sources from several kilometers away. They can sense thunderstorms from over 150 kilometers away. Their feet and trunks can pick up seismic vibrations, low rumbles that travel through the ground. Fact 4. Elephants grieve. When a member of their herd dies, they pause. They touch the bones with their trunks, gently, reverently, and often stay for hours. Fact 5. An elephant's brain weighs over 5 kilograms, the largest of any land animal. The parts that process emotion and memory are highly developed. even more complex than in most primates. They recognize themselves in mirrors, comfort others, and even cooperate in problem-solving tasks. They don't just live, they feel. Despite their bulk, elephants can move almost silently, placing their feet carefully thanks to soft pads that absorb sound. The African elephant is more than a symbol of strength. It's a guardian of balance, intelligence, and endurance. Protecting them means protecting the soul of Africa itself. If you love learning about wildlife and the natural world, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to help keep the story of the African elephant alive. If elephants have taught us anything, it's that every small act of kindness echoes through the wild. Explore our mindful wildlife merch at Kahupeaks, where compassion meets creativity.